we are going to have a discussion. Finally, Abeiku Santana, come closer. Abeiku Santana is part of the journalists who used popularity to ensure, say, MPP goes out of government. Why? Because he was promised position. Abeiku Santana no. And in fact, when NDC came into power, they rewarded him. And Yami on Peboni made sure say ni reward no, it was in the tourism sector. Now, but first off, Kaya, when we were going into election 2024, Abeiku Santana made a very ridiculous statement. Let me rewind. Let's remind ourselves with the statement that Abeiku Santana make here when we were going into election 2024.
Music destination in Africa is Nigeria. And you be a music streaming app na me busamo. But what is Nigeria for app will be a banya mo streaming you also a intro. Now say almost launching music streaming app a intro. Munti sa no mo ye Ghana Post app. Busa Uber driver and a Yango driver be say o use sa app na. Adia Google a capture the whole world satellite. And the Google map so you use. Sa na COVID by almost my COVID app. Oh I know almost my app. Oh I know wait no mo did that mo. Now
it was a way Abeiku Santana 2024 election. No? This was Abeiku Santana. Do you know, say, Abeiku Santana that was bold enough to tell Ghanaians, say, yen Ghana Post app no through our digitalization drive. We got to have address system for everywhere. Oh, Ghana no. Now I intro. That it was Google that used satellite to know everywhere. Abeiku Santana, for God's sake, Google does not name streets in Ghana. Adreno. Google, they don't name streets in Ghana. Say your name, sir. Etuko Kumasi, for instance. Say your Nana Prempe Street. Ghana has to feed that information to Google to know, say, street way in Ghana and Nana Prempe Street. But they did this kind of propaganda against a streaming software. And I mean, Ukasano, juma or YouTube, you catch it. We will tell you. Say, juma or YouTube, no. The money you get, Sika Unyano, I work there. Sika Unyano, at the end of the month, before they send it to you in Ghana here, no, or mutitasum, edima America buying. They take their taxes. Heavy one, of course. One we embellish. Before they send the rest back down here. And then when they send it down here, no, usu kwako yi usika no, John Mahama edge 7% womb. That is how we are suffering. Bloggers, that's how we are suffering right now under John Mahama's government. Bawumia was saying, say, we could have your own streaming platform so that it is not some people in US, people in China that will be paying you money and they will be taking you taxes and developing their country. We too can have our own. Abeiku Santana say Nigeria phone to me nye enti ye Ghana phone so ye ni adwan be timi aye de enti entro. Na Ghana Post app Abeiku Santana was referring no. Do you know say that taxi app Dr. Bawumia launched to let local taxi drivers have the app and be receiving order and all those things, you know. Munim say NDC for Abeiku Santana abaying we no. They have relaunched it and they are shouting as if it is something new they have done. That's what they are doing now. Shamelessly. Abeiku Santana organized December, common December to remember that MPP started doing year of return from 2019. Year of return, beyond the return. Afrochelamo, every December, no, Ghana was a destination to watch out for. Rapaholic or Beam Festival or Sometimes, no, the programs were so choked, say, Rapaholic Ekosu was stadium no. Now Beam Festival Ekosu was Shaiman. Now diaspora for who didn't come to Ghana? Almost Ghana was the place to be. Today, Abeiku Santana is in the tourism sector, and this December where you wouldn't even know say yedi bronya. A monumental failure. Abeiku Santana. As a share matcha, now you see a coach no or a bomb papa, SL yen say. You do cause share who say so Bobia Abeiku Santana no. Today, Abeiku Santana has shamelessly come to agree, say, Ebano, tourism sector, no. It is not everything that we should give some credit to the past government, the previous government, that they have done well with some things. Abeiku Santana, no. I'm looking for the tape for you, so that you hear for yourself. Today, Abeiku Santana is agreeing, say, Akufo-Addo help this nation. Oh, have I not copied that part here? How come? Come in here. Oh. It was I forgot to copy that side. I bet you. Papa. Oh, it was if you could give me just 1 minute, Anka. Can you give me 1 minute, or not even 1 minute, 15 seconds to just go into my WhatsApp and send it to my laptop quickly so that I can play it for you to hear? I want you to hear evidence-based. So don't go anywhere. Give me just 15 seconds to send the video, to load the video to my laptop. Thank you so much for staying behind. Midamase. That's why I love you people. So I've gotten you in the video now. Let's listen to Abeiku Santana now. Abeiku Santana.
Yeah, let me commend the previous government. The previous government did a great job, a fantastic job with the launch of Year of Return and Beyond Return, which was a major international marketing promotion for us as a destination. So it was launched in America, and that brought a lot of event organizers, including Afro Nation, coming to do their and all that. You understand? So that launch, kind of amplify the awareness about the destination.
It was not very for yourself. Abeiku Santana new, and then Akufa Mr. Adodinya Kupono. So one babe kasa, if you don't come out to agree, no, it's not be sure sumo or private muno. And then Abeiku Santana commend Akufo-Addo aban, Akufo-Addo Bawumia aban, and now today. Abeiku Santana. Also, what it's saying. And now Abeiku Santana shamelessly commend Akufo-Addo abai. Let's listen to it for one last time. Please send your request. Let me pick you. Okay? Send your request.
Let me commend the previous government. The previous government did a great job, a fantastic job with the launch of Year of Return and Beyond Return, which was a major international marketing promotion for us as a destination. So it was launched in America, and that brought a lot of event organizers, including Afro Nation, coming to do their and all that. You understand? So that launch, kind of amplify the awareness about the destination.
Shamelessly, Abeiku Santana, shame. Abeiku Santana, shame. Sorry if you are Kwejo, but Abeiku want me Kofi. Ye Kofi yenti say. Yenti Abeiku Santana, shame. Let me pick you. Let's have a conversation. Thank you for sticking around. This is your most authoritative and then the best political show that you would have here on TikTok. So send your request. Let me pick you. Let's have a brief conversation, and then we could call it a day. What I say, also, offer, you want to contribute to the issues I are discussing in Umrewe, you can send a request so that I pick you for us to talk. Briefly, the things we spoke about in Umrewe, we spoke about Okatichi Efrifa, and we made him know, say, Asama Oka say, Polyando, Ashanti Regional Communications Director of MPP, say, Oye comedy dodono. We will not allow him to run down Paul Ando, Adentia, because Paul Ando has been with MPP. Brana or no Okatichi Efrifano was busy insulting Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo, you even went to the extent to say Akufo-Addo there, say if he refuses to resign, who Okatichi Efrifa, you mobilize Ghanaian youth to go and take him out of the Flagstaff House. So you do all those things, NIN, MPP about position. When you come back, just be quiet and be in your small corner. You don't come and tell us who should be a communication director and who should not be. I played to you also tips be from Asofo Bimu, in which they claim say Yakupon Ayachromu say John Mahama, His Excellency, will be going for a third term. Oh, I saw someone request. But what I request is I requested you more. I'll pick you. What I request is I requested you. I'll pick you. And I played you also the tales from Listowell, Napoku, in which he was also advocating for a third term for John Mahama. I spoke to you about Adodi Nyakupon. Adodi Nyakupon, no. He said, "Ye say, onu netiaka." Otuaka pa. Those days we obiade now saying Nyakupon metuaka na echeno debi. They say there Adodi Nyakupon achia 1 year. Beji waketua. And you spoke about the fact say the sickness of your brother. You spoke about it. One of the critics of Akufo-Addo. Then we spoke about Abeiku Santana. Abeiku Santana did propaganda against MPP, and he's agreeing say Ghana saw development under MPP. Hypocrisy, shamelessness. Okay.
Pamucho Ghana for moment here DBS. Matete Sankro for say Mahama person Pamu Chief Justice. Senabeya obeko for a third term. Me pacho. Sadi ye dem ran here.
And look what they say government communication minister for communication honorable Phyllis Kwachofo so they are better just no cribia sa.
Onokra wan kan ye. Kwachofo so wan kan ye.
Adenan case what can I say?
John Mahama betumi esiki for billion terms. Eyemra Ghana constitution e wo dia media ye nyina betumi constitution no ye say wo pese wo sesa bibi wo mu afa kɔ ha emra ne ye troye no ye say justice soa to forward attorney general ne judgment no otro wo mu say constitution no enye just text to say ne da he then you are why you
me dem say honorable kan
first year
kan
a living organism capable of growth. Into no constitution, no, it will say any, and yes, I attract one and one. No. So if the president thinks that the term limit, no, M1 Ghana, obey to meet the constitution now call parliament. Say parliament, me feel say Ghana no, I will say a term limit free. So udi 100 terms Ghana conform some power. Also what transnational development. I am right that ho, and yet your mama is share some brand.
But for now, dear,
for now, no, your mama on make us as about me per se. I didn't go be a trim say. Nya ye de say do mama petete omu ya lawyer for omu nim nyamra ne ka emra ne say John Mahama feel so person otena so biom a on famra parliament obo ba beto yen wo ho yen ne ebehwe ade no aka say okay emra no ampa ya change mra na yen say wudi president obetumi edi akosi say obewu ana say say kura yen to aba wo ga ye betumi akọ parliament aye mra say Ghana kura yen to aba biom ya parliament betumi aye mra say Ghana yen to aba biom obene Enti no say no but me preempt omo sorry omo bi ehu say enye John Mahama na abehye saa amra no eye mra eda ho. Enti say parliament approve ye the mraba na say parliament approve say ampa ade we yasesa na nya the numbers to do it obeka say eye hwan na MPP for ye say speaker entumi to aba hefa na omde kokko ye say speaker betumi ato aba omo de mra na omde call court omo say speaker betumi ato ye say yi levy na omde call court ye say birth certificate ye entumi mfa nto aba ye betumi de ato aba omde call court enya mra kro na no mo use but every time be obi so be use the same mra ni bi pe we say hey dabi
no say no more can say mra kro na say o mampanyi pese o seeking for interpretation o mususu say one shot no more that interpretation that could mean so betimi asan
ya court na be interpret yet krom he na yembo 9090 court ko supreme court 90 yet ase akufo do court election petition 5 minutes ni akan we so nko fie nkoda ne na ase hwanjo o di free court ho obejina fie be press conference wanje antum o se megitum ade no me ni omo nya adwen but megitum o di ko fie John Mahama o no so de election petition ko ye yes Jimensa oh yeah easy boss omba na yem bisa na some MPP for said that ya Jimensa nkasa wo court ho omo ye ya Jimensa nkasa enye mra kro na se du se NDC for the asa NDC for the Ghana ha edu omo so dia constitution no yema obi ntino opposition
no easy no na kan se won kasa na se MPP na
omo defend omo make sure say yema Jimensa nkasa wo court ho you follow this case.